How to add a spouse to RobinHood account. If you are looking to add a spouse to your RobinHood account, this video will walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure to download RobinHood app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open RobinHood. After that, make sure to log into your account, and after you log in, you'll see your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now you can see 3 lines on the top left corner. Click on that 3 line, and here click on the settings. After that, scroll down and tap on account information and look for beneficiary option. If you don't see it, you may need to contact RobinHood support to request access to this feature. Simply go back, and here you can see this RobinHood support option. Click on it and ask them to assist you regarding your issue, and after that you'll be able to see that add beneficiary option on your account. And after that, click on it and enter the spouse full name, date of birth and relationship to you, and provide their contact information. Also review the details and tap confirm. So this is how to add a spouse to RobinHood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.